Blessings. What's going on, my friend? We're back with another video. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing a couple stocks that I'm going to be purchasing this week, a couple moves I've made this week, and also a quick portfolio update. Okay. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like watching videos about investing, making money in the stock market, becoming a meditative investor, learning and being educated on different ways to invest in the stock market. I mean, options, buying and holding. We do a little bit of swing trading here as well. So we're on this road to 100K. Let's go ahead and dive into the portfolio first, okay? So we're gonna hop on over into the Robinhood. And as you can see, today, it was a red day. It's okay. We have those in the market down around 4.6% at 613 bucks. If you see the lows today, we were down 10.3%. The market was bleeding today. So we were down around 1378, but those are awesome buying opportunities. I don't think I bought anything in this account, but in my Fidelity account, my IRA, I made a couple moves, and I'll share that with you later on in the video. Let's go ahead and dive into what's going on here. I got around 703 bucks of buying power. Actually, I did place this trade today. SOS put, I got paid 100 bucks. This expires this Friday. If SOS finishes above 1250, I keep my 100 bucks. If it finishes below, I have to buy it at, I have to buy 100 shares at $1,250, which I'm completely fine with. That's the move I made in my IRA. I bought 110 shares of SOS. I did kind of get caught chasing, bought it at 1461, and it finished at 1360 today. It's okay. It's a long-term hold for me with crypto and the blockchain growing in this market. This thing is, I mean, these stocks are going to do pretty well in the long term. Granted, they will have some volatility, man. Like Bitcoin is going to crash. Just be, it's going to go down drastically, but it's going to rise back up as it's been doing. If you look at Bitcoin, zoom out on the 10-year chart, 5-year chart, it just has an upward trajectory. Okay, so that's one of the moves I made today, because I love earning premium, guys. I did do a credit spread a couple days ago on Salesforce. So this expires next Friday. I received $66 for this trade. If Salesforce closes above my sale put price at $237, I'll keep the full 66. But knowing me, I will close this trade out at around 60-70% profit. Okay, I'm not greedy here. So here are a couple of my calls I got going on. As you can see, everything was red. eBay was a call I made earlier this week in the Discord. Right now I'm down 17%, but I have until March 19th. This right here is at a pretty good price. I have a feeling eBay can run in the next month, so it's something to consider. I'm not a financial advisor, just sharing the moves I'm making. Please do your own due diligence, my friend. eBay could be a good call for you to get into if you want to. eBay, as far as, look at the eBay chart real quick, just to show you 3 months up, 1 year up, 5 years up. All right, guys, so not bearish on eBay at all. So my calls are down pretty much, guys. ZOM had a pretty good buying opportunity this morning, man. As you can see, down to 201, I think. The low is at 201. It would have been a great buying opportunity. I'm still sitting at 500 shares, up 137%, looking pretty good. My other company, TXMD, I'm down on this one, 18%. It's okay. I have a $4 price target, between $4 to $5. Once I hit the double up, I'm out of this company, and I'll be cool with that. I mean, it'll be what, 2,600 bucks, or no, it'll be a lot more than that. But as far as the portfolio update, guys, that's pretty much it of what's going on. Now, there is one stock I am going to be looking at adding to my portfolio this week, and I'm going to share that with you right now. And as you can see, I only have 700 bucks of buying power, so I plan on making some moves to create some money to actually go bigger in this play. As you can see, I have this VGAC call I've been holding. I mean, I'm up 137%. I'm probably going to just sell out of these. Don't get me wrong, I love VGAC. It's just in this kind of stalling pattern right now. And I'm up, so I'm going to take this 1365 out tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be up tomorrow, hopefully to $3 now. You know, and I'll take the 1500 out tomorrow, which will give me 1500 plus 7, 2200 bucks to play with. I'm probably going to sell out of my clove call. I'm up 81%. I'll take that 250 out. Give me 2500 bucks to play with. I probably will sell my genius calls. I mean, I don't really mind it. I mean, I'm up 43%. Equity of 600 bucks. So that'll give me around 3,000 bucks to play with. And the stock that I'm looking at getting this week is Trit. As you can see, man, this was a SPAC. As you can see, this was a SPAC. And then it had, of course, the spike, and then the super major drop, and then the spike, drop, spike, and then boom. It got hit pretty hard with the short sale report. But based off of the research that I've done and the actual chart here, as you can see, even right here, like there's this reverse head and shoulders you can see right here. Have a feeling this thing can have a nice rise in the coming weeks, coming months. So, I mean, I'm probably going to get shares, but I mean, you can look at the option contracts here. You can go pretty far out. If I plan on spending like around 2,500 bucks on this, I mean, as you can see, I can just go with the August calls. I can get just about 10 calls, actually, 10 calls, and get 2,600 bucks worth and ride this bad boy up. But just for the sake of my, for the meditativeness I want to maintain, I'm probably going to go with shares and get around, get a buy, let's see, is that 200, 300 shares? Around 300 shares for 26 bucks, for 2,600, okay? So I'm probably going to hold this into a double up, or I even take 50% growth on this, which would give me around 1,300% gain. Take that and go. So Triteris is a stock I'm looking at loading up on. Do your research. I mean, they are a fintech company using blockchain technology and kind of what's the word I'm looking for? Filling a gap, filling a need in a $1.5 trillion problem when it comes to trading in the commodities area, when it comes to global shipping. So it's from what I've done, from the research that I've done, I really believe in the company's growth. It's kind of difficult to understand, but based off of just how much it's been shorted, the chart, and the outlook of the company versus the market cap of the actual need that it's filling, $1.5 trillion. The company's market cap is like around 1 billion, I think. Take a look. Oh, market cap is under 1 billion, 769 million. I mean, and they are actually fixing a $1.5 trillion problem. We'll see how much this company can grow. That's the stock I'm looking at adding to in this particular portfolio. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys. You know, I am going to talk about credit spreads more often, selling puts and selling calls, because I am doing that in my other portfolios and bringing in that passive income. Okay, so as far as the Robinhood portfolio, we're done with that. Before I go, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, come back for more videos. And I also want to share with you two stocks I picked up in my Roth IRA. Number one was SOS, I picked up 110 shares, I told you that already. Number two was Hut 8 Mining Corporation, okay? Do your research on them, okay? They mine Bitcoin, okay? And also other cryptocurrencies. And they actually have the processing power to mine twice or 2 times more Bitcoin than Riot. Riot is sitting at around 80 bucks per share right now. Hut 8 Mining is sitting at around $7.30 per share. I picked up 100 shares at $7.50 a share. and they're on OTC, so you can't find them on Robinhood. So you have to have a Fidelity or a TD Ameritrade. But check them out, HUD8 Mining, and thank me later, okay? This is long term, okay? Because this cryptocurrency stuff is not going nowhere, guys. So do your research. If you have conviction in the play and you've done your due diligence, make the move, okay? Don't go off of me, don't go off of what all these other YouTubers say, okay? So blessings to you, mahalos, and until next time, later.